how to use Sendinblue for email marketing. Hey guys, welcome back, and today I am going to show you how can you use Sendinblue for your email marketing campaign. So let's get started. First of all, go to your browser and type sendinblue.com and follow the basic signing in process. And then this is our dashboard, and on our left we have the navigation bar where we have email, templates, statistics, settings, and on our left we have our account settings. And for creating an email template, click on templates and then new template. After that you have to name your template. So I am creating an email template for a Christmas sale, so I'll be writing Christmas sale here, and then we have to write a subject line. So I'm writing this here, and you can also add some personalization like first name, last name, and something like that, and it feels more professional, so you can add it, but for right now I am skipping it. Next is preview text, which will appear right below the title in the notification bar of a mobile phone. So we need to make sure that this is something that explains the email in short. So I'll be writing, and then you have to choose an email to send this template, and obviously it will be your company email, and write your company name here, and after that next step. Next we have our layout gallery, template gallery, and code on your own. For today's video I am going to use template galleries. Templates are very easy to use, and you just have to change some text and images, and also they are categorized in different categories. So I am choosing sale, and these are the two available templates for sale. So if you don't like any of this template, then you can also choose any other template and make some changes in that. So I am choosing this template because it suits best to my subject, so I'll just click on it. So here we are inside our editor, and from here we'll be doing all the basic changes, and as you can see everything looks good up here, but as we scroll down we have to change this. So I'm going to select it and replace it with my own, and then you can change this QR code with your own, and if you don't have any, then you can just simply delete this block from here. And then we have catalog here, which you can replace it with your own, and this is see collection button where you can embed a link to your site. Just click on it and click on the add link option over here and embed a link to your own site, so that visitors can visit your site directly from your email. And then we have our footer where all of the information about your company and all of your different social media is given, and also an unsubscribe button is also there. And anything that you wanna add into your template can be added from here. You just have to drag and drop, like I want to add an image to this template, so I will just drag it and drop it here. And now I am done editing this template, so now I'm going to click on continue. And this is the preview of my template, that how it will look like on a desktop screen and a mobile phone. And we can also send a test email to yourself or maybe someone from your contact to see how it actually looks. And once you are done with this design, then just save and activate. And you also have an option of save and quit if you are just designing this template beforehand and you don't want to send it now, so you can just save and quit. And right now I'm going to send a test email to myself to see how it's going to look like in email. So this is how it looks on my email, and it just takes couple of minutes to design this kind of templates, and also they look very professional. So email marketing will be a lot easier and effective to you and your business with Sendinblue. Hope you guys find this helpful, and if you have any questions regarding this video, please comment below. And thanks for watching my video. I'll surely catch you up in the next one.